Hi guys, it's Stephanie. Welcome to Stephanie's Journey. For those of you who are here for the very first time, welcome. And for those of you returning, welcome back. Today, I'm going to take a look at the garden and what has happened to it since we've had 2 snow days and a bunch of 20-degree days. It is not looking too good, but we're going to take a look at it anyway. And also we're going to check out plants that's in the greenhouse and see what they're looking like. So stay tuned. All right, let's unzip this thing. And let's see. Let me move, y'all. Let me roll this thing up first. Okay. Let's check. See if we got anything growing up here. Kind of warm in here. These look like they need some water, but nothing has popped up. So I got my water thing over here. That thing on. Yeah, so let me get this a little bit of water while I'm here. I'm gonna take the end off of it and just bottom water. Alright. Oh, don't need no water, but I'm pulling it here anyway. In case I forget to come back later in the week. But that's it. The rest of the garden looks like it needs water. And I don't know if I was blocking y'all, but maybe not. But that is it for that. So go then and go look at the rest of it. I got some stuff I covered up, so I do want to uncover that stuff. But let me pull this down so I don't forget and leave it up. I won't forget anyway. Look, feel the garlic, see what it feels like. Oh, it feels fine. Last time the cold got it, it felt like mush, but that feels fine. Do you get some of my? It might just be too dry. No, the deal's all dead. I need some gloves. Let me put my glove on. My hand's cold. Alright. The cabbage is not looking too good. I think it needs water. I'm gonna get the water on me. I think that's what I need to do first. Water everything in, cause it looks bad. Even my greens. And they look horrible. I never have pulled this off, so it's not looking all that good. This one is still alive. Kohlrabi, the two, they don't look all that good. This is dead around the inside, but that right there is fine. These are fine up top, but the bottoms aren't, so I cut them back. The spinach back there look like it's finally to succumb. Carrots look a mess, but they still there, so they may be fine. That cabbage and them collard greens. They look okay. Let's see what these look like. They don't look too bad either. I guess they made it. Yes, I actually pulled 2 carrots from out of here. The dirt was frozen, so we don't know if it'll come back or not, but it is what it is. Let's see about this. Oh, this is probably frozen to the ground. But it's not getting any sunlight, so I need to uncover it. And they frozen into the dirt. So I'm gonna have to just pull them up. Oh, that one came up. Let's pull this off. They not looking good. They look all dead. No. These don't look dead. This ground is frozen solid. They don't look all the way dead. But I don't know if they're gonna make it. But we're gonna leave them and see. Yeah, that's all frozen. So for that corner, what came up. So I'm gonna leave these steaks in here. Supposed to warm up a little bit, and then it's supposed to get cold again. So this is what we have from up under there. The cabbage still look good. This stuff, not so much. We'll see if it bounces back once it has some light. But yeah, these didn't have nothing. They just uncovered the 2 stevia plants. Another stevia starting to grow weeds, so I need to probably cover it. These weren't covered, so the carrot is still in there. The greens, cabbage. They're still looking fine. I wasn't even covered at all, so it's okay. These were covered. Oh, look at the peas. They are still alive. Can you believe it? I cannot. So, all 3 of them are still alive. I don't know about the onions that were here, the few small ones. I see one. That one. That's all I see. Like this garlic. They don't look as good because these wasn't up as long. But let me fill them in my pan and see if they feel like mush. They might be okay. So they're probably okay. I don't think they've separated yet, so they should be fine. Let's look over here. Get that pea. That pea. They're a little mushy, so they may not make it. But the onions and scallions, they're not scallions. What are they? Shallots. They may be okay. They're trying to make it. Trying. The ones in here, they look fine. I'm gonna leave them covered since we're supposed to still be getting a few more. I'm gonna go with that. What's laying on that one and this one. We're supposed to be getting a few more days of cold, really cold. Might possibly snow again. So that's what we have with those. The broccoli. Folding over trying to protect itself. That one's dead, all the way dead. But it'll push out some shoots. These are the garlic. No, these are onions. And they look a little iffy. A little iffy. But of course we're going to leave them. If we don't have any, we have all of those that's in that thing. And we'll plant all of them. This is all the garlic. They actually look fine. These are the older ones. The older ones are definitely be fine. They're more established in the roots. It's these babies that's over here that you have to worry about. That one still didn't come up, and then we had two that was missing right there, and those two haven't come up. The rest of them have come up, except for, oh, there it is. That's just the one right there. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we got all those. Let's check on this. These are turnips. They look okay. They may not bounce back. Nothing is in those. Nothing is in those. Oh wow, look at that. Like somebody turned that over or something. That's weird. Really weird. But anyway, let's take these off. Oh, these look good. They look good. Need some sunlight. And then these, the game is on. Let me put this stuff down. Leave that right there. I'm going to put it back in the greenhouse. But I need to put all of these back into this thing here. In case I have to come back out here later in the week and cover everything up. They'll be where they're supposed to be. Alright. Alright, this is broccoli. That one is not doing much anything. I think it's still the same size. This cabbage is frozen. I don't know if that's going to do anything either. It might be too cold. Those and that. And then this thing. So we got some strawberries. This green. That. It'll bounce back. These greens, I don't know about those. They weren't covered and they're tender. So, and they probably need water. It's snow, but I don't guess that was enough water for them. But look, the spinach is still looking good. That one's still alive too, honestly. And that one not so much. These other red kale or whatever this is. It's the same thing. And pull this one off. They are tender. But I think they'll be fine because they're still growing in the middle. All of them look fine. So, yeah. So what I'm going to do is water everything in. Oh, the water is frozen though. Yeah. It's frozen. Well, I can always get water out the house. I'm not turning the water hose on. That's for sure. So, alright, that is the updates with the garden. I'm going to figure out how I'm going to water this garden in. And then I'm going to go in the house because it's cold out here. And I'm going to watch the Eagles and the Redskins game. So, thank you guys for stopping by my channel. I hope you enjoyed it. And I look forward to seeing you all in my very next video. Bye-bye.